Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and today I wanted to share with you my newest Free People haul. So I was kind of organizing my closet a little bit and I realized that I have been really focusing on straight leg jeans and wide leg jeans for like the last 2 years. And so I kind of went through all my jeans to make sure, you know, what was fitting the way that I liked and what was not. And I realized I didn't have any high-rise boot cut that I was still loving, that I still liked, or even that fit me. Went online and started looking around. So I have my first haul of boot cut high-rise jeans to try on for you today. And then of course, while I'm there, picked up a few other things. So if you're interested to see what I picked up, how it fits, and my thoughts on it, then just keep watching. Okay, looks like I have a couple jeans here, a skirt, some tops, and a coat I am excited to try on. So like all of my hauls, I am just gonna give you kind of a first impressions. They won't be styled, they'll be wrinkly. If they're wrinkly, I'm gonna kind of review them as you would get them. I know sizing can be all over the place in different brands and different stores. And so hopefully this will help you if you are kind of looking out for any of these items. And we will just talk through it and I'll let you know the prices and material and sheerness and all of that good stuff. So let's get into it. All right, ladies, and just a quick reminder, I do put my outfit of the day at the end of the video. Since you kind of only see the top half of me and I don't have, you know, all my layers and accessories here when I'm chatting with you. So check that out at the end. Right, and the first piece that I have to review with you is this gold top. And let's see, I picked this up in a size large and I wasn't sure what to expect, but you know, I'm always kind of looking for a tank top. I think it's great for an evening look and I like to wear them in the warmer months too. So it is a piece that I can wear all year round. And then I think while metallics are trending, it's good to pick up some, you know, timeless pieces. So I wanted to try this little netted gold top on, and when I first pulled it out of the bag, I was like, oh gosh, because I don't know if I knew it was completely sheer, but it is. So this has to be worn with something underneath. And so I just pulled out a black cami that I had nearby, too large to wear underneath this, but it did the job to give me an impression. Overall, I actually like it more than I thought I would. I would need to find the right top to wear underneath because the back is really low. But I like kind of the loose fit. Overall, I think it's really cute. I just have to see if I can find a right top to wear underneath. So, very interesting piece. All right, and the next item I tried on are these kind of faded black denim boot cut jeans. So these are the Shayla mid-rise boot cut. And I do like a mid-rise because I have a shorter torso. So a mid-rise almost fits appropriately on me like a high-rise. So even though I'm looking for a high-rise, I will still look in the mid-rise section because those generally will give me the look that I want without going too high. Otherwise, you know, my height is mostly in my legs. So I still try to make them look longer and I like to look even taller, but there's a balance that I need to watch with that. So these I picked up in the size 29, and when I first pulled them out, I was like, oh gosh, those are gonna be way too small, way too short. They are little, but they actually fit really nice. I love how they fit around the waist. I love how they fit on my butt, and I like I actually like the double buttons. It kind of makes it look a little more high-rise, and the wash is just fine. So I actually really liked these. I think that, you know, I don't have a pair of jeans like these. I will say I was pleasantly surprised. They do have a lot of stretch. I could size down even if I wanted them really tight, but these were comfortable and I really liked them. I like that the buttons, all of the hardware is in a dark color as well, as opposed to a metal look. And overall, they're very comfortable and I really liked these. I also liked the fact that it is kind of like a baby boot cut, not real wide pant leg at the bottom. So overall, I think a nice classic jean. All right, and the next pair of jeans that I picked up are these Mother jeans, the Super Cruiser in a size 29, and they are a flare. I was pleasantly surprised with these as well. I actually love the fit, the whole top fit. So I love how they fit around the waist. I love how they fit in the butt area, which I need help in. I do not exercise, so you know, I need help lifting the things and you know, sucking things in, and so I like my, you know, jeans to do that for me, and these did a good job. I was very happy with the top. The flare is a lot bigger than I'm used to, so that's the only thing I'm like, I'm not sure of, but the whole top area was so good that I don't know. So I'm gonna have to check that on editing. You ladies let me know. I would say there isn't stretch, so they're not stretchy. They are what they are. I like the pocket size in the butt area, which is really nice. And then it has all just the rest of the classic pockets and belt loops and everything else. So overall, a really classic, lovely jean. I would say this fading right here is a little more than I'd like as well, but really just, again, I love how they fit on the top, which is really hard for me to find. So I'm on the line on these ones. Okay, and next up is this beautiful ivory off the shoulder blouse top. I actually do not have an off the shoulder top. It's not something I ever really wore. One, I couldn't wear it professionally. Two, I have 4 kids and have been chasing them for years. But now my youngest 2 are teens, so I don't have to do that. I can kind of wear, you know, nicer things. And so I was like, let me try this off the shoulder look. I think, so I did pick this up in large. I'm not sure if I would need a size down. The sleeves were really long, but overall, I think it was a nice look. I was actually pleasantly surprised with this one. I love all of the detail, but it's I guess I don't want to say over the top. It is a little more detailed than I normally get. But because of the color and everything being in the same color, I think it looks classy. Could definitely be dressed up. This would be so pretty with a satin skirt for dinner, or, you know, going to a show, or with just some jeans and boots would be really cute too. So I really like this. This one in particular looks like it has something on it. So I don't know if I'm gonna exchange it or not for a smaller size. I'm kind of on the line on this as well, but the quality is great. It's a nice thick knit. It feels great. And I just like all of the detail on it as well. So a really lovely top if you are looking for an off the shoulder option. Okay, and the next item I picked up is this brown slip skirt, which I kind of have been looking for. So previously I was looking for an ivory, like column length maxi skirt, which I found at Abercrombie. Love that, perfect. And then I've kind of been looking for a brown satin one. I actually found a really good one, shockingly, at Temu, but the slit was too high, but it was perfect. It was beautiful. I loved everything about it. If it just didn't have that really high slit, actually my older daughter ended up taking that one. She liked it. But so I've been looking. This one is far too sheer. That is the biggest problem. It is sheerer than any slip that I have. So I think this is maybe for that no pant trend look. Maybe you're supposed to just wear shorts under it or something. It is far too sheer. So, and then I'm unsure about the uneven handkerchief hemline too. So if it wasn't see-through, I would like it a lot more, be under consideration, but then the hemline too kind of makes it a no for me. That's just for me. If you love it or are looking for something like this, it is cute. It has a stretchy waist, it has good movement, and it's a good length. It's a little short for me, and I was just wearing the booties that I had up here to try on with the jeans with this. I would not suggest wearing booties with skin showing in the middle like that. I don't think that looks good, but that was just for the try on. I was seeing if they would work. So overall, this one's a no for me, but you know, I'm sure that it works out for some ladies out there. Okay, and then I picked up these A. Goldie Vintage Flare High Rise organic denim jeans. Let's see if it says what they're called. I don't know, Absolute maybe. So I picked these up in the same waist size, 29, and they weren't for me. So these did not fit in any way that I liked. The front was just not flattering and the back was not helping me out at all. So the pockets are too big and too low for me. But if you have more booty in the back than I do, those would work for you. And so, you know, denim is an interesting thing because different cuts can work for different people and different shapes. So I would say if you are curvier than me, these would probably work great. They're a nice jean. There's no stretch. They're, you know, organic cotton and a great length. Overall, I like the color. Just the whole top didn't work out well for me, but nothing wrong with them in particular. I think it's a nice jean that could probably work for a lot of ladies. All right, and then the next item is this coat. I am a huge third layers gal, so I kind of have an addiction to third layer options. Even though I have a ton, I'm always on the lookout for more. So I saw this coat and I thought, oh, that's interesting. I just thought it looked neat online and wanted to try it out. So I picked this up in a medium because it did say oversized, and this is still way too big for me. It is not a look that I would wear, a little too relaxed for me, but this is a popular choice on the site and it is definitely good quality. It feels great. It feels like all cotton. Let's see. Yeah, so the shell is 100% cotton, the lining is 100% cotton, and it does have a polyester fill to make it just a tad puffy. So it feels great. It has nice pockets. It does have an elastic bottom and kind of a loose fitting sleeve. So I could see how this jacket could work for a lot of ladies in a casual manner, and especially with the oversized relaxed look that is very popular right now. But for me, it did not work out, but it's a great quality item and a lovely color. All right, ladies, that was my Free People haul, and I actually was pleasantly surprised. Found some really good things, and so I will definitely be checking back in there. I really like the quality and I like a lot of the brands of the denim, so I am still on the hunt. So I will be probably picking up some more items when I return a couple of these. So I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me. I really do appreciate it. If you found this video entertaining and or informative, please consider giving it a like so YouTube will push it out to more ladies that it might potentially help. And I hope that you have a really great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.